Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change font size is in Editor Fix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in Simple Editor X, and when you're gonna be here, let's just click plus and let's just add the text, and like, I don't know, this one here. And when I'm going to have it, you want to like click on it and click on Edit Text, and then you're gonna see the font size here, and you want to simply change to 36, like whatever you want. 60, 96, and yeah. So this is pretty much it how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, see ya.